What if you could turn a type of video businesses already need into a service you could sell without building a traditional video production setup? Small businesses constantly need content for social media, promotions, products, and ads. But creating fresh videos takes time, equipment, editing, and sometimes an entire production team. That creates an interesting opportunity, offering AI-assisted video creation as a service to small businesses. Think about a local restaurant, e-commerce brand, gym, or service business. They may have something worth promoting, but creating attention-grabbing video content consistently can become another job by itself. That's where a freelancer could come in. Instead of selling software, you could potentially sell the finished content, promotional videos, social media clips, product videos, or creative visual content that businesses can actually use. The business pays for the service, while you use AI to help make the production process more practical. Traditional video production can involve cameras, actors, physical sets, filming, and complicated editing. AI changes the equation by making certain types of visual content possible without all of that traditional production. And when the production barrier gets lower, specialized services become more accessible to freelancers and small operators. While researching tools that could support this kind of service, I came across MiniVerse AI. It's designed to create cinematic miniature videos from ideas, prompts, keywords, or scripts, including miniature characters, environments, and giant objects. The official sales page also positions it for creating content for businesses and clients. For this particular business model, the interesting part is the ability to create distinctive miniature-style videos without traditional cameras, actors, or physical miniature sets. That could give a freelancer another creative service to offer businesses looking for unusual social content or promotional videos. The bigger idea isn't becoming a software expert. It's identifying something businesses may need, then using AI tools to make that service more practical to deliver. If you want to explore the tool behind this idea, you'll find more information below. Link in the description.